Hello guys, today I have come up with an eco-friendly idea. Today I will learn to you how to make an solar cooler, which is also known as the renewable project. And this is the fan, this is the motor, this is the on-off switch, this is the solar panel, and this is the wire, and this is the cardboard box. So now I will tell you how to make this project. So first we need to take a fan and a motor and just connect it up. Okay, and then just take the solar panel and just connect this negative wire to the motor's negative wire, and then you need to take the switch and connect it with the solar panel's positive wire with the and then motor's positive wire. So now I will show you how does it works. So this I have made. So this is a mini cooler. So this is used for when like you are studying. So in the summer, so you can use this mini cooler so that you can get air from this.
Yes.
So guys, now I will show you how does it works. So this is the switch. Now let's on it up, and see this. Now it's working. Means it is too much useful. You can use in the summer. Thank you. Please share, like and subscribe my video.